Right then, time to have a gander at this fucker and see what the gearbox is like in it. One bonus, so long as I can fix the gearbox, is this little piece which is broken on that one and it leaks oil. But that one's in good nick. Fucking heavy bastard to lift up onto this bench though. But I got the fucker. So yeah, someone told me that you can turn this upside down and get to everything from underneath. But what I do know is I have to remove the clutch. So first job is going to be doing that. That's all pretty loose already. That's handy, isn't it? What size is that? 10mm. So I'm feeling here because you can feel what's gone in the other one. That feels a bit wobbly as well. Maybe it's fucked. Don't know. Not gonna find out till I get it off, am I? Oily fingers. Don't know when you get oily fingers. See, if nothing else, it's going to give me a good insight into what's in these fucking engines, because I've never stripped an engine like this far before. I did a rotavator engine once, but that was an old single cylinder fucking cast iron lump, which there was nothing to it. But I've never actually taken apart a motorbike engine. So it's a new experience for me, this is. Bound to be a bit of swearing involved. Get this fucking clutch out. He says. That's kind of locked in a bit solid, that is. Fuck me. That's well and truly in. Rusted in, that is. Must have been stood a while. The beauty of this is I can use one of these to make a tool to get the clutch out. Because you have to get something that tooths onto that. So if I can weld a bar on, then that should enable me to take the clutch out. Get the old MIG welder out. A bit of rebar. Last one's going to be a right bollock, isn't it? Come on, you will come out. There you go, look at that fucker. Got the bollocks. Right. So, next job, to make a holding tool out of one of these. We should put that out the way. Right, welder out. Fucking welder. The bastard gas regulator's fucked, so I can't get no gas in my welder. Right, let's try this one. And there you go, one clutch holding tool. See if it's fucking strong enough now. Yeah. Fucking ball bag, ain't I? How the fuck am I going to get the socket on there now? What a ball bag. Let's try again. Fucking ball bag. There you go, one clutch holding tool. Now let's see if I can get it undone. Oh, fucking hell, that's tight. Ugh, fuck me. That is fucking tight as fuck. Somewhere there's a piece of scaffold bar. Where the fuck's that gone? Try a bit of leverage. If not, we'll have to get the impact driver out. Fucking hell, man. Oh, you fucking knobhead. Fucking, that is not budging for shit, man. Right, impact gun. See if this fucker works. Reverse. That got the fucker. Well, I've got the sump off. And I can see the gearbox, but I think I've got to split this fucking crankcase now. I ain't got a fucking clue what I'm doing. This, to me, just looks like a fucking nightmare, if I'm honest. The bolts are out, but I can't get the thing off because of all this bullshit in here, this chain and everything, and I ain't got a fucking clue. I honestly just don't fucking know what I'm doing. There's always fucking one. Well, I got it apart, but fuck me, that was fucking so difficult. It's probably the hardest thing I've ever had to do, and I don't even want to think about fucking how it goes back together. I don't even know if this is any good because it does that. It goes through to a couple of different gears and stuff, but it just seems to lock up. I was watching a video earlier and his geezer was fucking had one stripped down and he was talking about how they were a bit shit, the gearboxes in these. So maybe that's why this engine was ditched. Don't know, man. Fucking pain in the ass, isn't it? Yeah, this was a nightmare. Getting this apart to this stage. I don't even want to think about trying to put it back together. You know, I don't mind servicing bikes, doing odd jobs on bikes. But sometimes I just have to admit defeat. I fucking don't know what I'm doing. So, I guess that's going to be me off the road until I get fucking money to buy another bike.